Hi students, today we can start chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. This continuity already was studied in class 11, limit and derivatives. Then this is very important chapter. From this section, that means from calculus, total 44 mark question will come for board exam. That means this chapter is very important chapter. Now we can see one by one. Continuity. One function is continuous. When we can say one function is continuous, we can see one example. One function f of x equal to x equal to 1, x less than or equal to 0, x equal to 2, x greater than 0. This function, when x equal to less than or equal to 0, that value of function will be 1. In case x greater than 0 means the value of function will be 2. We can see one graph. If you draw graph of this function, how you can draw? Cartesian plane is x dash, y dash is 0, isn't it? Then first case, x less than or equal to 0 means left side of this our x axis, isn't it? Then when x less than or equal to 0 means what is value of function? X equal to 1, isn't it? That means from here, this 1 means from here, this left side. If you take minus 1, what is the value of function? 1 only, isn't it? Then if you take minus 2 also, that time also value of function will be 1. Because this minus 1, minus 2 all less than 0. If you take 0, that time also value of function will be 1 only. Because here less than or equal to 0 is there. Isn't it? Then next part, x greater than 0. Greater than 0 means a right side of our y-axis. What is our value of function that time? 2, isn't it? Then in here, 2, just think 2. Less than, x greater than 0 only. That means this point, x0 we cannot use. This point we cannot consider. Then this right side. All the value will be 2. In here, this x0, this point we cannot consider, but nearby that point, that is 0.111, otherwise 0.00001. That one also, if you consider, you will get answer. Function value is 2. This is the graph of one function, isn't it? Then, what is continuous? This function is continuous or not? How can you check? If you draw this graph without taking your pen, draw this like without taking your pen, can you complete this graph? Check it. If you draw this like written here, then again we have to take out this your pen, then only we can draw next part, isn't it? That means this function is not continuous. That is simple method. Without taking your pen, if you can draw the graph of one function, that function is known as continuous. Look, another example, this is like one graph. This is our function. Yes, without taking your pen, you can draw this graph, this like, isn't it? That means in this case, this function is continuous. But in here, that function is not continuous. Then always we cannot draw graph, isn't it? That time what we will do? How can find out one function is continuous or not? We can see that. Then in here left side of 0. That is limit x tending to 0 minus. Why I am using 0 minus means that is left side of 0. F of x equal to, from here if you consider left side, this direction, that is LHS left hand limit. What is the value of function? Value of function is 1. This one, isn't it? Then limit x tending to 0 plus. 0 plus means right side, from here approaching to 0. This direction. That is RHL right hand limit. Last year already was studied, isn't it? Then RHL of f of x equal to, what is answer? 2, isn't it? In here LHL and RHL is different, isn't it? Different means that function is not continuous. That time what is the condition for one function is continuous? We can write limit x tending to 0 minus, otherwise one number, any number, c minus we can take, f of x equal to limit x tending to c plus. C means one number, in this case 0, isn't it? C plus f of x. That means LHL and RHL is equal means that function is continuous. Is it not? Complete. We have to check this point also. See. In one graph we can see another example. One graph is like. In here limit x tending to 1. We are going to check in this point. 1 minus, just think it is 2.2, f of x. From left side approaching to 1, what is the value of f of x? Passing to 2 means that will be 2. Then x tending to 1 plus, that means from right side approaching to 1. That time what is the value? That time also value is 2. Now in here LHL and RHL equal, but this function is continuous or not? Look, without taking your pen, can you draw this graph? We cannot draw, because in here nothing is there, one gap is there. Anyway, you have to take your pen from here to next part, isn't it? That means in this case this function is not continuous. We got LHL and RHL equal, but function is not continuous. That time one more condition is there, that is limit x tending to c minus f of x should be equal to limit x tending to c plus f of x. That means left side, limit of left side and limit of right side are equal to f of c. In this point also we have to get same number. Then only that function will be continuous. This is the necessary and sufficient condition of one function is continuous. Now we can see algebra of continuous function. Then algebra means what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, isn't it? In case two functions f and g are continuous, two functions are continuous. If you add f and g, that means f plus g, you will get one function, new function, isn't it? that function will be continuous. Check it. From one graph we can see. Let's think. This is like one function, f of x. Okay. Then again one more. Another function, g of x. They already told these two functions are continuous, isn't it? That means without taking your pen, we can draw this graph. Then second graph also, we can draw without taking your pen. Then addition means what? We are going to join that two function. If you are joining that two function, this g of x, we can draw in here. This is g of x. Already joined in here. Then without taking this pen, can you draw this complete graph? We can draw, sure, isn't it? That means f of x plus g of x, we will get. This function is continuous or not? Sure, this function is continuous only, isn't it? That means if you add two continuous function, you will get another continuous function only. F plus g will be one continuous function. Then same like that, subtraction, f minus g, that are also continuous. Okay, we can see, look, one function, f of x. Then another function, just this like, this is g of x. We are going to subtract f of x and g of x. Then f of x minus g of x. What will get? This is f of x. Then from here, g of x. From here to this mat, that is g of x. You can consider. Let's subtract. Subtract means cutting, isn't it? This g of x part, here just cut it. Then what is this? This is our f of x minus g of x. Without taking pen, can you draw this one? Sure, you can draw, isn't it? That means f minus g of x will be continuous. Then same like that, f into g and f divided by g also continuous function only you will get. Then in the case of division, g not equal to 0. In case g equal to 0 means what will happen? F of x, one function, divided by 0. Denominator 0 means, can you divide? We cannot divide, isn't it? That means g of x should not be 0 function.